It looks at 16:15 is what I've got, and it looks pitch black film time. I've just been taking pictures. I'm saying that just in case anything actually happens with this footage ever. Just been taking pictures down by the rock, and it's not anywhere near as dark as it looks now for you. Although the moon's out, but it's been out really early this month, or just recently, since it came back to life. I've got that Evanescence song in my head now. That Evanescence song, Bring Me Back to Life, I think it's called. Or Bring Me Back to Life. I'm sure that's what it's called. I was playing it the other day, do you remember? I was listening to the words. She's quite an interesting person, because I was listening to the words in a song, and if they're backmasked as well, it sounds to me like someone singing about freeing themselves from the matrix, not being entangled deeper into it. Well, it's pointless trying to film myself when it's so dark. I was about to say, if there's loads of bird song, I'll keep filming. And then we heard human song instead. Did you hear that? Woo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the birdies are gorgeous. If this gets abruptly ended, it's because someone's called. Well, that'd probably be my mum. It would mean that mum's called, probably, and it's got knocked off. However, it's getting quite late now. It's 9:20. I think she would have called already. All the same, if anyone wants to call me, this will get knocked off. Looks like a face coming through the gap of light between the trees, with a big old nose, with two eyes above, and an anguished, open mouth. A bit like a stereotypical witch's face. Well, that's how it looks from here anyway. It probably looks completely different on the screen. I don't know, usually things I can see, I look more detailed. I think it's really interesting the way the light pops through, and it looks like properly formed shapes for a reason. Let's look right above us. See, it looks like writing almost. Except for you could make up so many words. See all sorts through here. It's like a million worlds all looking back at us. Maybe a million's a slight exaggeration, or maybe not. Maybe it's a complete understatement. I love this archway down here. It makes me wonder if this has got some kind of alignment with the archway in the middle of what was the maze. That's an arch. The tree perfectly gives an arch within the arch. I wonder if I can zoom in. You can see better. There you go. I know I'm on the camera, though, talking. There's two pyramids as well here. And then you zoom in and you see more detail, obviously. Look at that big face grinning back at us in the middle. Oh, and his eyes. Everything just kind of jolted. It's also interdimensional, isn't it? Somewhere up that side is the moon. I think I might pause this so we keep film time, and then I'm going to film when we walk out, and I'll be able to film the moon for you perfectly then. So I don't run out of camera space, memory space, I'm going to pause this now, and I'll switch it back on when we start moving. It won't be long because it's getting nippy now. Okie dokie. Oh, we're coming out now. That wasn't long at all from me stopping. I've only missed about 2 minutes in time. Can I go in front of you? Thank you. That's better. Now you get the silhouettes coming out. Walking through the octagonal shaped area. Thinking of the archway as well, and this pathway. We've got the line of houses at the bottom. Then we've got a pyramid right in front of us here. Which is also right in front of Bramham Lodge. And also in alignment with the maze behind it. And look at those trees. There's Bramham Lodge. And then the sun's setting over there. I'm going to turn around and find the moon in a minute. I think we need to get a bit further away from the trees first. I don't want it to cut me out film time wise, so I think I'm going to press pause while we're walking. Just hang on a second. Look how hazy it is, we might not even find it. So I'm going to press pause, but I'll just quickly whiz us down here first. So I apologise for the jolting, I'm just ultra aware that I'm about to get thrown off film time. So I'm walking as fast as I can whilst filming. So yeah, it's a bit dark, I know. However, I look at that as well in front of that cam. Oh, here's the moon. Oh, wow, and look above it. There's a plane. There it is. So I'm on full zoom. It's really hazy now. It wasn't like this when we set off, was it? Tony, your hair's standing on end.
Is it?
Yeah. So just gonna film the top of those trees. Yeah, it's not staying in focus very well. Anyways, the moon looked so gorgeous when we set off, and the sky was so blue, and now it really doesn't look anything special, especially on film. But at least we managed to find it, so, excuse me, so we know. And we'll quickly look at this archway, which has still got sunlight falling